Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's all morning over here, as you can see right there, guys. It's right there. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And right now, this is how my house looks like. So I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything. So right now, today, I'm back to the village. So this is my house, and let's go. So I want to close here. Always. And for those people who ask me, hello baby, what's up? Why do you tie to your dog like that? Man, I'm telling you. Since I went to Nairobi, I released my dog outside. Bruno! Shh! Bruno! You see? That's my dog. Oh! Let's go outside. Wow, 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 wow. Hey! Ah! I miss my dog, guys. I miss my dog every day. So right now, I'm in my village. So guys, let me know what do you think about on today's videos. We have here my brother sitting. Say hello.
Hello.
How was everything?
It's fine.
Yeah. Since I went to Nairobi, what challenges did you pass? Like 2 days. I think I went like 2 days, guys. What challenges did you pass? Be wisely. Alright?
I was being challenged by the problem of cooking. Yeah. And also I was challenged by grazing some cows. Yeah.
Guys, I know when I went to Nairobi, I left this is our third brother and our second brother, of which I'm the first brother. So my mom, she's not around, and you know, so like I wanna say this, our second brother somehow like I wanna say, guys, sorry for this, he was lazy somehow, but like in terms of cooking, taking care of cow, he don't like, but all the work left to my brother. So anyway, guys, on that time, my mom, she's not around. So right now, you can see they try to sweep here and there. Okay, you sweep, you collect at this point, and then when the sun it's too hot, we burn them. Alright? So guys, yesterday came from Nairobi. I reached safely, and I thank God for our journey from Nairobi, guys, to the village. At the same time, my mom traveled also from her sister to home. Like yesterday, it's God plan. Wow. So even me, I miss my mom, guys, a lot. Mom, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, auntie anaendelea.
Ako vizuri.
I'm asking how my aunt's doing. Ako vizuri. You know, Mama, there's a time I went to Nairobi. I called you randomly, and then I tell you, oh mom, me I went to Nairobi because I know tukitoka nyumbani hapa mambo si mazuri. Like you have cows, people need to eat. But all in well, mom, everything's good. And maybe I personally, for the first time, mama, going to Nairobi, I feel those modes and intention, you know. But I take care of my phone, take care of my camera, so uko kuna ways. I'm telling my mama, in Nairobi you have phone snatchers and camera. Sometime you must be taking care of your things. Anyway, guys, I came from Nairobi. I didn't complain. Oh, my phone snatched. My phone was being went by rope. No. Why, mama? You sleep. Hey. And then after my mom sweeping, guys, I will come with a djembe I will make some cleanness here. Look, those are our modern toilets. So Mama, after I do some cleanness here, I'll come later. I'll burn this because I don't like this place to be look like a bush. Sometime Mama, the snake will be hiding inside here. So guys, I'm waiting my mom to finish sweeping, and for me, you'll see removing some of this stuff here. I want to make this place to be clean. Wow. You had the birds, guys, and they're yellowish in color. Whoa. And that's how things goes. So guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe. Right now I'm back in the village. Look guys, how the sky been shining, guys. But I got some a good experience in the city. You know, I know how to use a lift from first floor or from the ground up to the last floor, and I experienced a lot. Wow, Bruno, my dog missed me. Okay. And now it's growing so big, man. Yeah. Look how it's. Right. Because I had a good friend of mine complaining, oh, why do you tie your dog all the day in the chain? That's like animal abusing. For me, guys, where I came from, like our compound is not like fenced, you know, so we have a short, like a small compound inside the house, so we can't release your dog walking around so it can go to the village or to my neighbor's house, and then they were being given the poison, and after all you heard me saying, oh, my dog died, you know. So I'm trying to avoid those things, but hopefully by January I'll make a kennel for my puppy. Wow. So over here, guys, this is the real life in our village here. Over here we have the pumpkin. For those people who don't know, the pumpkin is the pumpkin leaves here, and at the same time we eat the fruits for the pumpkin. At the same time we eat also leaves for the pumpkin. This one here. Wow. Hey guys, remember today we wanna end this year because today is our last date of the year of 2024. Today is the date 31st, so we end this year and we thank Almighty God. This year is the year of blessed, also is the year of success, and my family, they are doing good since January up to December. I want to say, God, thank you so much. So let's see, tomorrow we start a new year, which is the year of 2025, you know. That is it, guys. And over here we have like slippery veggies. I shown for the there's a time I shown people here. Maybe in case you're new here and you don't know this, these are like veggies here. And that being said, when you have a wife and she got a bath on that day, you peel this one, you cook with a bone meat, and then you give her to eat and drink this soup for these veggies. So like they're like treating the pain, for a lady who got the bath at the same time. So this is my toilet over here for the sandals. Okay, my mama is trying to sleep. So mama, later nitakuja naomba na maji nideke the liquid and aretera mora kwanza. That liquid, mama, that's smelling good, I know. So I make some cleanness here, and I suppose, guys, when I get money later, anytime I'll buy the soap liquid for doing cleanness inside here, so even mama, even today with I and my brother, so they kept, you see some dust here, so that's the repercussion when I was not at home. You see the dust, and also when my African mom, she's not around, so but everything's good. Wow, guys, let me take you around. Oh, that's my puppy passing there. Let me take you around. Later I will come and do some cleanness here because I'm waiting. I'm gonna finish first. After that, you see African man to the world. Hey, using brush, guys. Hey Bruno, what's up? Wow. Even I'll go around removing the grass around this structure. And over here, guys, we have we called finger millet or wheat. I think it's a wheat. We have finger millet, we have wheat, we have sorghum. I think this one is sorghum. I don't know, guys, but I forget. Just remind me on the comment section. This one here. Comment on the comment section below. Let's go. So, guys, today I came back home yesterday, and I had some activity to do here and there. Actually, both of my family, every day there's activity like sweeping, cooking, doing things here and there, So just over here, but that one is a kind of a small. Comment on the comment section. Finger millet, sorghum. But both two questions, I'm just like 100%. One of them, they could fall inside of this food here. And this one, when you mix with let me see, guys, when you mix with cassava and then you grind in the posho meal, I'm telling you, it produces good ugali, it produces brown porridge, it produces brown ugali. This one here, you see the color, so that means it's an organic food in our village here. Look, have this, we have maize corn. Why not? But probably, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. What's up? Good job. They don't like people. See? They see some people passing there. Hey. Wow, guys. Oh, our cow is grazing here. You know, so in the city you can't see the cow grazing. I'm telling you, man, like the way you see in our village here. So we have our beautiful cow here. Hey. Wow. See right there? Have the calf also grazing here. So bro, in our home did you have the rake?
No, we don't have.
Or you can go to a, let me say, I want to look the minutes we collect this stuff here. You know, today we end day of 2024, so we make everything it's good and well, fantastic. So we're supposed to collect everything, we burn this rubbish, but guys, just like not like we didn't do some cleanness, we do it, but for the real sense, want to make some cleaning here. So when I go back to Nyabuhas, when I came back, my work is to like uprooting some grass on the other side, and then we done cleanness all around, and then we burn this, you know, so to like to reduce a lot of rubbish stuck at one place, right? So you continue. If it's possible, you can sweep even here. Like sometime you put some food for the cow here. So, but soon when the school will be reopened, like go back to school, something new come for you. You just do things real soon.
Yeah.
I'll give you something special. You continue. Guys, for me, I like support my family. So because he was walking from home to school and it's a long distance, but I will look some means or other way how, like, you will see, guys. But you will see, guys, I don't want to mention right now, and at the same time to pressure my brother. So on that day, I think I'll do it on Saturday, because on Saturday we'll be here, and Sunday on weekend only. So I will do it. Anyway, guys, let me know, guys, what do you think about on today's vlog. But right now, at least you see the green view, green nature, guys, everywhere. In the city, guys, you can't find people like sweeping the way like my brother sweeping here. You see? Hey, nowadays, so you can't see. Can't see. Like in our home here, we use manpower. Wow. Okay, you continue. But all in well, that's the life, you know. Whether we use in traditional way, whether we use in modern way, all in well, that's life. So let's go this way, guys. So kiri, rasukira mkivetero toro kumoro. Mkiri vatero kepeke, we will hanonda achakor mhoro. So I'm telling my brother, I'll come later. And then we have a small battery we're supposed to put inside, like inside the house. Wow, my good subscriber, that's my grandma home. On that one house, there's my grandma home. Also, let me show how people harvest some maize. Like there's some process it's supposed to be do here and that. Okay. Let's show you guys. This is how we harvest maize. In other way, my mama used like to harvest the way they are, but the rest of the people slash. Let me show you. But this is how you are doing. So when you are. I never had a home of a soap. Montana Koi, Rakunya Mahin. This is how we harvest maize here. So like we put in lines, and then when the time which want to harvest, we run with every line. But my mom, they harvest the way they are, like that way. It's right there. Well guys, that's the real life here in our village. And guys, technically drop on the comment section, let me know what do you think about on today's video. Somehow my voice goes down, I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the climate changes, I don't know. But for the real sense, that's how we do like early preparation of a harvesting season. Right now we're heading to January. It's a dry season, and most of our farm, 100%, they harvest some commodities from the farm, you know. And they arrange on the line, like you have the first line, second, this third one. You can do it even up to the whole 1 week, because there are two. Oh, we have sunflower here, guys. Oh, just over here, this is a sunflower. And technically, guys, the great thing about sunflower, it faces, like for example, the sun was coming from east, goes to west. So right now the sun is coming from this angle, and at the same time the sunflower face this angle. You see, like I'm holding you guys to see. Look, the sun is right there coming from other side. At the same time the sunflower is facing there. Look here, going this way, and when it sets at the other side, which is west, it will turn, go to other side. So right now I don't want Like people say, oh, you're the one who turned it. Look, you see, on this direction here, where the sun coming from. When the sun goes this way, it will face. Just like it's an incredible story from in my village here. Wow, guys, let's go. That's how my build of my village looks like. Wow, green. Wow, guys. Let's go. Sorry, guys. Wow, I was coming from right there. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much. Every day I got a new member on my YouTube channel. Guys, thank you for your good work. And thank you so much for your energy that you show toward my channel, guys. So I think by the end of January, if it's long, by the end or the mid-January, I will hit 6K subscriber, if it's possible. But today we end the year of 2024. This is our last date. But it depends the place where you are. I know most of the places it's on the start. Like we have like 2 days to end the year. But for us here in Africa, we have only a day like this. We're dealing some hours. From now, we're remaining like 12 hours. We end the year of 2024. But guys, I can't complain. When we start new year, when we end the year, nothing changed. But maybe some improvement. For example, maybe this year, Hello Baby is building a modern toilet. Next year, Hello Baby is, like, for example, guys, is building a kennel for the puppy. That's an improvement every step, every year, you know. Like, for me, I can't see anything change. Like, oh, this is a good year, we start a new year. Nothing changed, but we celebrate another year, guys. So, in case you're new here, this is the material that I was buying slowly for my mom's dream house here. And for me, when I get the money I spend in terms of building and construction, I buy slowly. I think by January, you see some changes here. I will add 2 tippers and then I will pause. Wow. Let's to know, because I want to build my mom's 3-bedroom, guys. And the only hectic stuff was cement. This one, I think I want to say goodbye, because anytime I will close the chapter of buying hardcore ground stones. Wow. And over here we have the balance stones. This one here, guys, I'm telling you, when you buy materials slowly, like, it can't go waste. It stay here like 10 years, 5 years. It depends. At the same time, on yesterday videos, it's a continuation videos from Nairobi up to my village. And probably, it's morning. And probably yesterday, we have our plumber here, and he was a nice plumber, so he came. Maybe today he'll be here. So they want to do plumbing, both toilets and washroom there. You'll see maybe on my video or on my yesterday's on my tomorrow's video, I mean. But tomorrow is a holiday, so hey, Bruno, you good? Was missing my puppy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. From these videos, you'll get more continuation video, guys. So stay tuned, and in case you find my video for the first time, guys, please subscribe, like the videos, and don't skip ads. If you watch my ads, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here from East African Kenya, Nyabuhanse village, to the world. Wow, guys. Well, guys, so right now I need to clean my toilets, or to clean in general. I want to make some cleanness inside there. So technical, guys, be with me and follow this process. So I suppose to burn some rubbish, but probably it's raining, guys. You can't tell in the comment section. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow, but for now I want to clean the toilet right now, guys. Hey. So I'm supposed to burn this on the other side, but it's a blessing day. So that being said, right now we're counting some hours to end the year of 2024, guys. I hope you are ready for this, and it depends which month did you watch these videos, time, and also year. But for us in Africa here, we count only hours. We end the year of 2024. Probably let's meet in the year of 2025. Could be the same day of 2024, because it's the year of success here and there. You've been there watching my videos. You see how I was I personally to improve my family, and guys, through you I changed my family slow by watching my videos, and I can't take for granted, guys. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you a million, by taking your full time watching my videos, right, left, center, and I receive your good comment, guys. So we flow the vibe to the end. So this journey, it's 1,000 miles of journey, like I want to say 1,000 miles. So by 2025, like I spent like 6 months to collect material. So maybe I think June, August there I'll start building the house. But right now on today's videos is to clean the toilet, guys. It's long time. Like when my mama used these toilets, almost 1 month. So I supposed to resume making cleanness, tiles outside, because we're ending the year. So maybe my mama will help me, because right now she was the only remaining at home here, and probably we want to do it. We want to do it right now. So I want to fetch water. Want to clean every room. And guys, sorry, this one I will never clean it. I lost the key, but we'll see other means. When I get the padlock new one, I'll demolish this one, because I lost the key. So that is it. So I came to clean some droplets, some drop on the tiles, like this one here. You see right there. So I suppose, look, even this one here, this mark, I'm supposed to make some thorough cleaning. So wow, this is my mom washroom, guys. Thank you so much. And for me, I'm trying to encourage young youth. If you have your parent there, both of your parents, guys, please, if you're age mate like Hello Baby Official here, young youth, please make something something unique to your family, something unique to your parents, you know. So for me, guys, you've been there watching my videos, and guys, you really advise me, and you really watch my videos. Thank you, I want to say thank you so much, guys. Sometimes I'm speechless, but sorry for that. So guys, for me, I feel so good, because to start from nothing to something. Guys, imagine I was starting this toilet with zero, but God is good. All anyway, we finished by God's grace. Look, and because tomorrow it's on, people will celebrate. So on Thursday, I have the white paint. I will apply again, so for shininess. You can tell even here. I will put look more shining. Imagine, guys. Look how I was changing everything here. I know it's so expensive, like that. And cleanness, it's good hygiene. So even I wanna clean inside here. So, and outside here. Wow. Anyway, guys, I'm going to fetch water on a bucket, and I bring with solid soap. Let's go, guys. It's raining here. Let's go. Wow. Kids to my sister, they are enjoying here. Mama, so maybe nataka kusafisha choo. Maybe we'll be there. I want to clean them. You hold for me a camera. I didn't have the cameraman, mom. But sorry, it's a request. Yes. Guys, it's a humble request. So my mom will hold for me a camera, so I want to clean it. So maybe you assist me to clean the wall outside and the inside. So the remaining part I will clean. So let's go, mom. Because I see your toilet, it's somehow clean, but like, you know, our grandma demolished the toilet, and right now they are using there. So somehow it's having some small that. So let's go, mama. Take a clean stuff like your tauro ma. To give a very skohari and dan. To manage. Bye. Pero kau mah kibiri ingin sesandani. Nunggu kata cuma ni cina mara. Serious. Okay, mama. Bring up nipendo. Homo mwere. Okay. You fetch water. I come with the Hey, nowadays my mama is smiling. Hey, good heart, good Marvin. You okay, mom? We'll talk later. Right. So today it's raining. You see, guys, this dam it's full. Maybe this rain it's close the year of 2024. You know, January, mama, it's a dry season, harvesting season. A farmer like you are going to harvest your commodities from your farm. Mom, did you need maybe a basin? Because we need a basin. First, you start cleaning the wall, inside the wall. and outside. Now, if you tell me now, you're not have so Mama, she was going to bring a clean towel. Okay, Mama, you can. Okay, let me bring this liquid soap and we go. Guys, stay tuned. And in case you're new here and you don't know my mom, she's my mom right here. You have a look. But for me, guys, I personally have the gene for my dad. But maybe the skin color, I look like my mom. But I like the gene. I'm behaving like my dad. I have the history for my dad. But guys, sorry for that. I wanna say my dad, my soul rest in peace. So for me, I'm just working hard, changing my mom's lifestyle, and soon, guys, I'll demolish this house because we didn't have enough space. I'll build my mom's the way the house they are there. Like I'm exchanging the narrative, guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to sweep or to make some cleanings because everywhere it's tiles, inside, outside. Wow. So let's do it. This is the solid soap here. So I'm going to clean the toilet. Okay, pereka kwa mama pale nikuja. Say hello again.
Hello.
Hey, again. Come here. Njoo. One more again. Say hello.
Hello.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe to my brother.
Hey, hello baby.
Hello, baby.
Hey, that's my sister. Anyway, guys, I need to lock here for the privacy and to avoid the chicken going inside. At that time, guys, it sounds crazy. So tomorrow we celebrate the new year. Actually, we start today, the midnight. Wow, we have water here. Let's do it this. Oh, close here. So guys, today is supposed to combine the video of digging the unwanted grass outside, but it's raining. Toka hapo mwende kwenu. Well guys, I keep taking this water to the toilet, guys. So that being said, I'm supposed to make today it's a cleaning day, like make some cleanness here, but it's raining here and there, so at the same time to burn the rubbish. So I'll do it maybe on Thursday because tomorrow we celebrate Happy New Year, guys. Today is 31st. When the date change, maybe at say, oh, that's my sister, guys. Oh. Oh, guys. Motorbike. So we have water here. So I need to change the sandals, guys. Right now. Okay, man. No, the tambal bere. Okay. So me I will use this one, man. That's all we have. Again, do take it to the bakery. I'm to try home again. Poo. When you cover your home. I want to go. I want to send an entourage. Okay. Open here, man. Let's do this guy. Now ranka moreka munkirisi mangu stone. Ranka moranda kiyomunek. Ken. Ebonya tata chimunongo terra gari. Okay. That's how my mom soaked the stuff, guys. So we need to clean here because maybe of the soaps come and stick that on the tiles. We need to make them to be white. Mom, can't you kill me once? Just come on, Mama started from maybe there. Guys, me, I'm just working with my mom here. Most of the video, guys, you see, working with my mom. So I know the implication of these tiles. Sometimes you realize maybe somebody came to take shower and they forget, you know, to clean. Nini? Kuma wakibiri bairu, usinyora ma. Usikanyage hapo. Kwa sababu kuna maji ya omo. Don't step here. You sit there. Stand outside. Because you have like this soap here liquid. If you step, you slide.
Yes.
Yes. Wait me outside. Que eu quero até mandar mancha, pá. É que é, a tua orelha.
Oh no.
Please.
I'm examining.
Wow, guys. Wipe here. Wow, guys. Most of the video, guys, you see me watching with my mom because I don't like drum on my channel. Honestly, guys, I don't like drum. Hey, you have balloon? you were coming Happy New Year in good way. I don't like intention of people in my village, guys. You know. So let's work with my mom because she's the one who make me to be the way I am today. Okay, man. Mengare. Okay, for us, I'm cleaning outside here. So guys, you see the difference? It will come totally. Let's go this way. Tiga. So kituringi. What are you kidding cho? So that's my mom's toilet. Tokumahu. That's really sick. Atani chilicho nacho kukideki.
Ukogi chili kogi.
Até muito kufuri. Wow.
Tutika bacha. Bacha bakori yawe. Bamuni rako. Na ko koragi.
Kuramba nguchaji matan jumatore na tichimbi.
Oh na.
Anagotora. You see guys, even here, look there, guys. So we try. Hey, I'm saying what? It's mera mogoro. I'm just if none. I'm if that's what I'm taking to now. Mama, how do you feel right nowadays to have a modern toilet? Mom, najisikia je kuna chonzi. Yes, sometimes my mama she was struggling, maybe like we are using like a toilet like this one room like this, and we are in like 20 people in our family. So the rest we look other way to sort out. Either you run to our neighbor or you hide on the bush. But guys, sorry, it sounds crazy. But I'm telling you what I was passing through. So come on, baby guy, afadhali bigai. Ngo hitole na nivone rangi no kaheti.
Rangi wiki chingi chira nyama.
Okay. Kwa hango tere kamera.
Ayun ko na kanina bana ba ko bata.
Dapat ke bodo.
Kuja sincera magi ambe bro mako na kuja ni bila tu tongo. Nó tay ta cứ nó xoay chỗ gì cái tổ tu rồi mà. Wow. Rồi vang đi xin tu rồi mà ngồi cho chỗ.
Nitakuja nikupiga toka hapa.
Mosaka dola. Taya so again.
Guys, we finished inside, so right now we try to clean. We're coming on this balcony here, the small porch. This is the last lap here. Okay. Cleanliness, guys. It's the next level. The next level. Oh man. Because everything is white here, I'm supposed to clean, guys. My mama, mama is going faster, guys. My mama defeats me. Wow. That's how we do things here in our village, guys. That's how we do things here in our village. Wow. My mom, she was right there, guys. Let's go. Hey. The classic toilet here. Maybe guys, comment on the comment section. These are purely white tiles. And guys, thank you so much for those people supporting me in terms of tiles here and there, because to avoid maybe painting every month, right now the work is to wipe the tiles. Sana nataka homo kande kara tucheki. Yeah. Always. So my mama, she was giving me another story. Wow. Wow, guys. So the rest of the video, guys, you see me mopping both toilet, guys. Wow, guys, I soak everything. So here I have the duster and the place where I can squeeze, and also at the same time when I finish this one, I have the squeezer just right there. That's the squeezer. After I finish everything, you will see, guys. Okay, Mama, stand there, you hold for me a camera like this. Okay, guys, do like this. I'm going to start from my mom's toilet. No, coming from other side. Okay, I'm gonna do like this, guys. I'm showing my mom how to blow. This one there's no need, because right now we're not using that one. So start from here, guys. Wow, guys, so that's how we do. Guys, because this toilet is so expensive. You can't joke with money, guys, because I could get money going and pumping champagne, but I'm not the guy who may be pumping champagne, guys. Sometimes I could get money. Sometimes, guys, I could get money like this, going and enjoying with my friend outside there. But I decide, guys, to build a nice toilet. At time maybe I will have a visit, so where they can go to use the washroom, toilet. You know, guys. Okay, so right now I'm starting my mom's toilet here. It's clean, guys. It smells good. You can't have bad smell, guys. Hey. Guys, look, it's clean. And then next, I'm heading to my mom's washroom right there. Mama, you can stand on that corner. Uncle, where did you come here? Hey, so I'm going to my mom's washroom area. They get to washroom area. Guys, sorry. I'm showing African mom how to hold the camera. So, okay, come this way, mom. Okay, hold like this. So, gana ni vikuli kama. Guys, this is a mopper. Mama, you can put short down here. Yes, that's how you mop. Yeah, so it's cheap. Okay, let's go. I'm coming outside, guys. Mama, now you can finish. Guys are there. So for meanwhile, I'm taking the squeezer. So I want to to make our ties to be dry. You know, these are squeezer. These are squeezer, guys. Like it's used to dry up on the ties. The squeezer. Squeezer, guys. Anyway, guys, we shall meet outside. So don't mind me like cold and this. That's my mom right there. Well, guys, for the last minutes, this is the final result, and it's clean. So yeah, so that is it. It's clean, guys, right now. So probably every week we're supposed to clean once. We're supposed to clean once in the washroom. Okay, this is the slippers here. There. Oh, guys. So, guys, anyways, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So, after this, I'm going to check the land for my friend. These are continuation videos, no more hide, guys. So, stay blessed, and all shall be well, guys. Guys, I'm going to check the land for my friend right now. So it's a long time, guys. I'm heading to check my friend's lands. Wow. Wow, guys. Let's go. People are building, guys. Oh. So So guys, actually it's been a long time, and I'm supposed to go to see what's going on that land. In other way, I'm a caretaker. So that being said, I'm right now I'm taking the land or the property carefully and make sure that they are insecure. Let's go. Oh guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please, I need your subscription. It's highly appreciated. And don't skip ads. I'm here to show you how my village looks like right now. Oh guys, so right now I'm taking you to the newly land there. So right now guys, hey, wow. After the day ended, guys, wow, everything is quite chilling here. Let's go, guys. Guys, thank you so much. In case you meet my video for the first time, subscribe, like my video, guys. So right here, always I park my baby here. So I'm heading down. Actually, I want to check that land. It's a long time. So I landed yesterday at home, and I settled my mind. I need to check everything, guys, how it goes. Oh my god, wow. So let's check. I love these jackets. Somehow it's a waterproof, like when it's raining, water can't go inside. That's the perimeter right there. Wow. Hey guys, I feel so good at time when I'm back in my village, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not saying to stay in the city is bad, but maybe to be born and raised in the village like this, it's so amazing. But anyway, even the city, it's a good one, but it's so expensive, you know. Like you can't walk there like I'm walking here. You must like hire the Uber taking you around. But I love, one day I could go back to Nairobi. But right now, what I'm thinking is to go to Mombasa maybe, guys. So right here we have tobacco plantation over here. You can see this tobacco, which is a very harmful to human body. So it's made for cigarettes. We peel it, some leaves here. We take to BAT, it's a tall house, we burn them. After that, we sell to company. So they make cigarettes, which is cause lung cancer. I think there. I'm 100%. If you smoke cigarettes, it causes lung cancer. So tobacco are very harmful in human body. Wow. Hey. Wow, let's go, guys. We have napier grass right there. See here, we have the napier grass right there. The napier grass, and farming is our backbone in my village. Guys, the truth is disturbing me. Wow, we have also maize corn here. You can tell on the comment section. If you don't know, this is the maize corn right here, guys. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. We have the church here, known as Adventist or SDA in short form. It is a good thing to have a church nearly to our village, guys. Wow. Let's go. Keep going down. Guys, for sure I can't wait next year, which is I'm counting some hours from now. I can't wait day of 2025 to build my mom's 3-bedroom house. I hope guys you are ready for this, since since my struggling up to now. I think you're ready for this. When I start, man, just comment on the comment section. But the day is coming, I'm trying to collect some materials here and there, so actually when materials you have on the ground, you can build easily. And I know cement is the most tough thing. Wow. So let's go. Yeah. So here it's our boundary here. This is our neighbor's boundary. So between here we have the gap here, like you see, like there. Between there, here and here we have the gap. Anyway, let's go. At time we are approaching harvest season. So by January we are heading to dry season. So they're supposed to take everything from that land. So right now no entrance here. They must go around and then come this way, guys. Wow. I feel so good, guys, to be back in my village. Right here we have mango trees, and I'm telling you, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. We're remaining with 12 hours. Maybe I think from now, we're remaining with 11 hours to approach Happy New Year, day of 2025. So right now, we close the year. Oh, let's go, guys. Here they have like the garden, chilling garden here. Wow. Hey. Guys, at time I feel so tired, but I came to check everything here. So maybe there's something went wrong and I haven't knew. So because I was in Nairobi, so I supposed to came here. That's my duty to check how everything is. And the owner, this is the time to harvest maize and to kill everything. So the land remaining white and clean. So this is the sensor here that being said. It's act as a boundary. So nowadays we have other way for putting the boundary. So this is the local boundary, this one here. So it means from that side so to this side belong to the owner. From that side on the other side belong to other neighbor. Wow. For example, guys, I'm using this example. For example, this land belongs to me, and this land belongs to our neighbor. So that side saw in the center. From the center go other side, that's my neighbor. From the center come this way, this is my land. So I use as an example. So maybe I think guys will get me better. Oh, so boundary reach here, guys. You see. So we fence locally. That's how everything is. Wow. This is the toilets here. They have been closed. I think the toilet, that's the washroom right there, or the bathroom. Wow. Hey. The cat is sleeping here. So we lock everything, guys. No jokes here. We lock everything. This is the padlock right there. Wow. Even they have already putting the onions and everything. Wow. And right here we have the cowpea seed. This one here. Wow. Hey! Ukoje? Haya. Haya nakucheki. Hey. Boem. Wow. And also at the same time, this is the boundary here. This is our neighbor's boundary. So at time when reach, we can put some perimeter work here for the privacy and security. We have here banana. You can see right there, there's banana. Fruits. You can tell in the comment section. In Uganda, they call matoke. Matoke, guys. Wow, a nice toilet like this. You have balance stones here like one wheelbarrow. Man, I'm telling you. So probably I'm supposed to go home. This is the napier grass here. Wow, here. So anyway, guys, let's do this. So I'm heading back home, guys. Weird. Yeah. Let's do this. You have passion fruits right there. So I'm keep going back home. Oh. Guys, welcome on today's vlog. And technically, maybe in my village and city, somehow I can compare, because here no like movement of the vehicle here and there. Maybe climate changes. In Nairobi it's so hot, but in my village here it's moderate. Somehow it's cold, somehow it's hot, so it's balanced. You don't know. So over here you have stones right here. You have stones inside here. You see, there's the stones for the underground core. If you build a house, you use these stones there. But for now, I use this locally get. Imagine, guys, in our village here, it's crazy. You can find somewhere, everywhere, some veggies like this one here. Green slippery, guys. This one, imagine, for free. No one who's planted here. We call known as Morenda. This one here. It's a slippery veggies, guys. When you mix with meat, it's go direct. Or when you take it alone, it's go direct. So far so good, guys. I'm going to take my bike and go back home. Wow. Hey, let's go back. I'm heading this way, guys. Wow. This is my local town fence here. Initially, our old parents used that one, but right now things change. We are in the next level. Either we use blocks to fence your compound. Sometimes we use blocks. It depends. Let's go. Let's do this. see some small boy riding the bicycle there. Wow. Nice. See some kid riding a bicycle right there. And it's a kind of a hill. Judge, utaweza kuendesha? Waroka. Ndesha sasa tuone. Arab. Nani alikuvunja kana baiskeli? Nani alivunja? Eh? It reminds me when I was a kid, when I found somebody else have a bicycle. I follow him at the back until I get a special ride.
How are you?
I'm good.
Kwa hiyo bwana yuko hapo kwake.
Ako hapo kwake.
Anko sasa ndio kuna kakumi hapa.
Sina sahi. That's tight. Okay, you enjoy. Guys, when I was a kid, my parents can't afford to buy a bicycle like this. But you know what, guys? I said I wanna give maybe my young sister and brother somehow a little bit good life. And guys, through your support, I manage to support my family, guys, in all other means. So stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. So guys, today this is a quick adventure from my home here. So actually I'm going to visit my grandma. So that's my mother to my mom with David Jr. and Congrats Dad. So actually guys, I came back home random right now. So I'm supposed to close the gate. No, my house right now. And I came here, guys, to pick some cassava. So let's take outside. I'm using Congrats Dad motorbike. It's just over here. In case you're new here and you don't know this motorbike, this is for Congrats Dad. So it's the one that I'm using going to Kisi, and also at the same time I want to take we're calling the cassava. So actually this is a quick tour from my home here. Wow, we have a beautiful cow. Anyway guys, let me show you that cassava right now here. Let me show you. Oh, you have already put, mom? This one here. Okay, sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, guys. Yesterday, all of us came here.
Cassava.
What's hagara, mom? Kera
Nakono
hapo.
kunsi ngombe agotora nyakuri.
Ngai gutuna pina.
Tekono kunsi.
Tapo hambi wakano. Nora
Tora. Taboruke.
Ano tugache tu.
So mama so this cassava guys here. Sit down here. So we take this one to my grandma. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you. And I had a lot of things to do here and there actually from that journey, because the year is ended. So I want to greet my grandma, but maybe next time I'll do it. For now, maybe this is the part of maybe my family and the relatives. So mama, goodbye. I'm going to greet your mom, which is my grandma. So sister to congrats dad right now. So I think it to I'm coming. So guys, I'm going to greet your mom, which is my grandma. At the same time, she is sister to congrats dad. Alright? Bye, mom.
Bye.
Later.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Later. Stop it, man. Wow. My papi doesn't like some visitor here. So I want to take them. I don't want some. Okay, put here. I might time to tight them. So we try to tight them, guys. I hope you are ready for this. And for me, I want to ride this baby. You will see me on a helmet and everything. So maybe if David Junior shows me on a helmet, guys, you already know it's me. So it's a long distance by itself. So we try to use this new baby. Okay, let me check the key, guys. These are brand new 150cc. You see here, guys. So it's a brand new from here. Oh guys, so finally my journey started from my village here. So I'm going to congrats dad, and then after that we proceed with this new baby. Hey, look at that. Wow. Anyway guys, let's go. We have a sharp corner here. Wow. That's how it goes. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Let me know in the comment section what did you think about. I'm outside with this baby. Hey. Whoa. Life in my village, out from Kenya. There are some kids here. Wait. Betty. Tu harus mengani. Orang tu merah. Mana hal itu? Wow. Makumbati. Yes. Tricky station here, guys. Look at this. People are hanging outside of the pickup. Hey. Same time, my baby here. Right. Look, guys. Agora agora vamos molhar aqui com o pé. Vai eu ver no como é que. Fish. Well, guys, I'm on the way. I passed my hands, so right now I'm heading down. Down, man. Oh. So, guys, anyway, let's flow with positive vibe all the way. At the back, right now, I'm going to greet my grandma because day is ended, and I made the one day video, but it keep maybe touch many people here and there. Actually, guys, I wanna say thank you so much for the love and support. Let's go. That is it. Here we go. Oh, guys, we shall meet when I reach at Congrats Dad's or Congrats Mom compound, whichever the case. So, guys, stay blessed. Wow, guys, here I have the surprise for my grandma, and which I was being given by Congrats Mom. Big shout out to Congrats Mom, guys. Go and check her. I really appreciate. So inside here, we have the shoes and clothes, guys. Anyway. We're outside, guys. Wow. At the same time, I have a new baby here, of which tunaenda na helmet. Si mimi navaa helmet vumbi. So let me pack the things here. You know, guys, this is a big machine. We use this one, a brand new. Yani kama mwenye naendesha hizo ni vidudu. So utakuwa ni. Well, guys, we go with this machine. So this one I'm going to give to my grandma, which I was being given by Congrats Mom. The stuff like Masai design here. Look. So my grandma, she had no idea, guys. Oh. Here is our luggage, guys. You guys need to hide. Huh? Need to hide. So don't get it. Huh? Need to hide. Some packing things like that, guys. And over here.
What's up, guys? My name is David Jr. So we are home, and we are leaving today. I don't know where we are heading. Maybe Hello Baby has the clue. But actually today it's the last day of the year. Today is on 31st. Wow.
We're dealing with some hours. Yes, we end the year.
Some hours to go, and we say thank you so much for the support. We really appreciate it. 2024, it has been a good year, you know.
Yes.
So we're looking forward to have a good year in 2025, and we're hoping for the best, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, so let's see where we are heading to.
Okay. You look like my Bruno. Anyway, guys, you'll see. Maybe I will not vlog on the road, guys, because I'm driving. Somehow you will see me when I reach on that destination. Guys, finally, I'm back at my grandma home right here. So there is a time I came on other side for my friend Finilo, Finilo. So we came on a burial time. So I make a research and Google everything. I found my grandma place. So actually, I'm so grateful to be born and raised. And she's totally old. And I'm planning the 23rd January, guys. I brought my grandma rice and everything, guys. But today we done it randomly. So it's planned by Congrats Dad. So most of me, I'm just a driver. So anyway, guys, it's good to reunion with my grandma. And actually, she has a disability, guys, so she can't speak. But yeah, we know how to interact with with those people who have disability. Anyway, guys, start for another day. Floyd vibe. Look, guys, please. So right now where I am, it's Casey Highland. You can see there's a hill right there. Hill. When you go up, there's the hill. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, you good? Hey. So this is water here, and actually they are fetching from here. Actually, from here. This is how the borehole looks like. Wow. Wow, guys. What a good day. Guys, I hope you're ready for this. You're ready for this. And she feels so good when she interacts with the family. I personally, Dave Jr., and also congrats Dad. But when I go back home, man, I'll go and plan how to come here again. Whoa. You have mango trees here. Man, I'm telling you, these mango are very, very, like, they're ripe. You see? Maybe, I think I could find one, I'll show you. And they were being putting the thorn here. So to avoid maybe kids going there. Even down here, you can tell in the comment section. These are mango trees. Oh, I saw them here. You see? Right here, it's the mango trees, and on top, they are somehow being ripe. Wow, wow, wow. These are blessed by itself. It's a blessed by itself. And I drive 2 hours, 2 good hours. You know, because stuff is brand new. When you do like this, it goes. What's up? You good? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is the maize corn here, guys. Over here. Over here. So my grandma, she's totally a good grandma farmer, guys. You can see, you can tell. She has a small farm garden here. Wow. Hey, that's the view of the views of my village here. But anyway, it's good to interact, or it's good to visit my grandma. It's long time, and you heard from congrats Dad. She's a sister after 40 years reunion with his brother, of which that is congrats Dad. 40 good years. Imagine. Anyway, let's flow. We have a beautiful cow here. Oh, and this place, they are doing good in terms of sugar cane, pineapple, avocados, and especially some commodities like maize. Let me say all commodities. They have a fertile soil. So let's show you. In the morning, I was showing you, I went back home. I picked the cassava, guys. Just over here, the luggage. And we came on this baby here with the helmets, with the dog right here. So let me greet my grandma. That's my grandma, guys. Yes, I'm coming back. That's my grandma. She feels so good, guys. She has a look like my mom. Yeah? Guys, that's my grandma, and she has a look like my mom. Hey. Okay, I'm asking my uncle. She told me she went to Nairobi. Right. Right.
Was it long?
Yeah, many years ago. Many years ago. But all the same, maisha ni hivyo. Yeah, siku ya mtu ikifika.
Kaweka kiti akaruka. Okay. Have the chicken here, guys.
Now, she's so fine. Asante. Unaenda hapa sisi. Naona tuko vizuri sana kabisa. Bana tuongoje chakula. Eti ulikuwa mdogo kabisa, ulikuwa unashuka mkononi tu wakati. Alikuwa anakuweka.
Yes, guys. She was the one who, when I was a kid, she was the one who take care of me. Yes.
Anakumbuka kweli sana.
Kuna. Alright, guys. That's my grandma. Okay. My grandma, she told me I'm eating and then I have the stomach. My grandma told me I'm more chubby, guys. She looks like. Okay, guys, she asked me about my sister. Unajua niulizia hadi yule dadangu mdogo eti ametoshanaje. Anamjua. Okay, guys. Oh, munimpatie zile nguo?
Yeah, tumeshampa.
Okay. So guys, I brought my grandma some cassava here. Ananichekesha sana. She looks like her mom, guys. My African mom. I'm telling you. So at time my mom gave me this cassava and she told me you just deliver to your grandma, and I'm planting this, guy. I'm planning. As long as I have my bike, I can use conquer that bike. Also my bike, I came here one day, which is January. You see, guys, I brought for some cassava. Okay, at time let me help her do the cassava here, guys. Right. That's my grandma, guys. Wow. Let me put her here so she can know where she can keep it. So good, guys. Hey. When my mama gave me the cassava, guys. Hey. Oh, guys, she told me, guys, big shout to congrats mom. She gave me some shoes and also clothes to give her. So that's why she told me I was being given clothes and shoes. Anyway, guys, there's another story from here, but it's a continuation video. So you'll see, guys. You'll see. Guys, it's a long distance by itself, and I feel like when it could maybe near, I could visit her every time, but I'm planning on January 23rd to 24th. I will visit her with the shopping. I want to say goodbye to her. Telling her goodbye. Yeah. Guys, I feel at times I feel so bad when my grandma, she can't talk with me, but she can't speak me gesture way, guys. Sorry for that, but hopefully by God willing on January 23rd I'll visit her with her shopping, guys. I'm crying in front of you guys, but anyway, guys, it is what it is. Bye, mom. Bye. Yes, guys, sorry when I'm shedding tears. It's so painful. She lives here alone, and no grandchildren here because she went to his dad at Nairobi, but hopefully by January I will do it. Bye. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Finally I'm back home. So after visiting my grandma, I and David Jr. and also Congrats Dad. So I didn't use this motorbike. I used Congrats Dad motorbike because it's somehow big and it can carry many people's and some luggages. So guys, I was transporting. My mama gave me like cassava. I take to my grandma. So you have been there watching that vlog, so I want to pass the greeting from my grandma to my mom and my sister, because she was greeting my young sister and mom, also even my brother, guys. So outside here, that's how we do. That's how we have some small round there. Hey, happy new year. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Salimia. Welcome Kisi. Yeah, I'm telling her my grandma from Kisi greets her. Okay, you good? Okay, this one. Yes, take care of your hair, because tomorrow we celebrate Happy New Year. All right, over here I have my mom. Mama, welcome to Salimia. Amekusalimia ukweli kabisa.
Na mimi nimeitikia hiyo wito.
Okay, amesema asante sana kwa kumpatia miogo. Hey, boom. My sister balloon burst. So my grandma said thank you to give her cassava so she can grind in the portion mill, have brown nougat. So she greet you, my sister, and she asked me how my sister, how is doing. She's growing big. I said okay, yes, because sometime mama, I use some gestures like signs to speak with my grandma. Some signs are so hard to understand, you know. So but you understand your mom, which is my grandma. I went there with David Jr. and your uncle, which is Congrats Dad. Yes. Wow. So guys, I need to settle inside the house, and everything shall be good. And right here we have a small calf baby. Yeah. 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 Wow guys, I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. And when I come kwa pikipiki, I want to end my video by saying guys thank you so much. May God bless you. In case you missed my video and you haven't subscribed, please guys, I'm insist this since morning. And it's raining today. I think we have water also here. Look. Oh man. Wow guys, it's a happy moment, but officially I want to end my video with you guys because you're amazing to me. You keep supporting me here and there, so I really appreciate your full support, your full energy that will show me. And guys, you're amazing. You advise me, and for me, I follow your good advice. So wow guys. Right guys, I want to end my video by saying guys thank you so much. May God bless you. Whew. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow guys. Bye guys, bye.